Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra will be optimized for the iPhone 18 Pro Max. According to the latest available data, an insider reported that the Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra's main camera specifications will be based on the iPhone 18 Pro Max camera. If Apple goes for a larger sensor, Samsung will follow suit. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Based on information received from a source closely connected to Samsung, it can be assumed that the camera specifications of the upcoming Galaxy S27 Ultra smartphone will mirror the key features of the camera planned for the iPhone 18 Pro Max. A very reliable tech leaker under the nickname Ice Universe shared some interesting information. If Apple decides to use a 1 by 1.14-inch sensor in its flagship device, Samsung will likely equip the Galaxy S27 Ultra with a 200-megapixel sensor with a 1 by 1.12-inch diagonal. However, if Apple opts for a 1 by 1.3-inch sensor, Samsung may consider using a similar 200-megapixel sensor in its device. The source expressed concern about Samsung potentially following Apple's camera design decisions, describing it as spineless. However, it should be noted that this source has previously provided accurate and relevant information on current trends in the smartphone industry. Among their predictions were the introduction of waterfall displays, the return of the notch in the iPhone X design, the development of a new iPhone 14 design, and the creation of a 200-megapixel sensor by Samsung. All data provided is based on exclusive information obtained from Samsung's research department, confirming their reliability and relevance, the source writes. According to a previous report by IT Home Sighting, Samsung will introduce a new facial recognition technology called Polar ID in the Galaxy S27 Ultra phone to be released in 2027. This technology aims to break away from the reliance on bulky infrared hardware required for 3D facial scanning and explore a lighter and more integrated facial recognition unlocking solution. At the same time, thanks to polarized light technology, this facial recognition unlocking can significantly improve recognition capabilities, easily identifying fake unlocking methods such as photos and videos, and thus providing higher security. Before this, Samsung is planning to introduce its most anticipated flagship series, the Galaxy S26 lineup, which is expected to launch in February next year. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Stay blessed. Peace out.